You want to tell everybody what we're doing?
Yeah, so we found a good deal on this Overland trailer for sale off Marketplace. So we're gonna go check it out, see if it could be a potential new build for the channel. We are in the works of a big trip coming up for an off-road and overland style trip with each other. So our main goal is to find a good base trailer so we could start building around that and figure out what's going to be best for the 2.5, 3 week trip that we have planned. Right, so we did end up getting the trailer, guys. So here it is right now. It is a homemade Overland trailer. We got it for a pretty good deal. Comes with a Rome Adventure Co tent, It's going to come with our box, so we're going to be able to put a lot of our equipment in, a lot of our water jugs, and also some electrical outlets that we're going to try to build into it. For right here, it has a Jeep tire setup. We're thinking about going to be changing this out, get a little bit better of an off-road style setup for this trip that we have planned. Come closer, you could show you guys. So inside, it has some deck boards that we're probably going to be changing out. Has a spare tire mount here, and this actually swings up. If I can get it. Swings up and out, so we're able to store all of our equipment, all of our extra camping gear as well, maybe some pew-pews. Right here it's going to have a extended trailer hitch, so it gives a little bit more stability when coming over. Normal trailer plug. But yeah, so this is going to be our base for this project coming up. We have a lot of ideas in store, so stay tuned for it. We'll show you guys the process of how we're building it and what we change up.
Alright guys, while he's backing up the truck, I want to tell you what we're doing. So we just bought the trailer, as everyone knows, the trailer. So we're just putting a little bit of support beams because it's got a little warp in it.
Yeah, so we just finished the first major thing that we needed to do for this is we needed to add some more supports in the middle. So what we did is we got a few 2x6s and we had it underneath, so we drilled it all up. It's all good to go. It's in line with the axle. Next is going to be fixing our lock in the front. You're gonna have to try to replace this one out. Should be an easy task, so we can start using this, clean this up. The only thing next would be paint until we start upgrading this thing, so stay tuned. All right, so we brought it back to our place. Cut it. What do you get from like here? You didn't start it?
Yeah, I did. I got it out. It's fine.
Finished. God damn, it actually smells like freaking shit coming. Whatever,